Prepare a 0.15mm fine line. Thread through 3 C-beads, 1 lobster clasp, and 3 C-beads. Thread back through the C-beads and the lobster clasp. Add 3 knots. Thread back through the 2 beads. Add in order 1 2 bead, 1 seed bead, 1 pearl, and 1 seed bead. Thread back through the 2 beads. Pass through the 2 beads, CB, pearl, and CB again to reinforce. Thread back through 2 beads. In order 1 2 bead, 1 CB, 1 beacon bead. Thread back through the 2 bead. Pass through the 2 bead, seed bead, beacon bead, and the CB again to reinforce. Thread back through 2 2 beads.